In Vietnam, Duraflex factory belongs to Saint-Gobain Corporation. It's the first factory to manufacture Duraflex non-asbestos fiber cement board with leading capacity and market share. With over 10 years in the Vietnamese market, Duraflex aims to provide solutions for lightweight, fast construction, environmentally friendly materials for solid construction from our fiber cement board. Our products include Duraflex 2S, Durawood, Duraflex 5 Star, vĩnh tường Deco, Deco Plus, vĩnh tường Deco ánh kim, vĩnh tường Deco sắc nét. Let's see the production process of Duraflex fiber cement boards at our factory. Duraflex fiber cement boards are made from materials such as sand, cement, cellulose fiber, pulp. First, the powder materials are stored in cellars for preparation. With sand collected at the storage area, it will be put into a grinder to be grounded into ultrafine sand. Then, the ultrafine sand motor is pumped to the back of storage tanks, ready for use. Cellulose fibers are put into a hybrid pulper to create pulp slurry and are refined by a specialized grinding technology to reduce standardized pulp, which is then transferred to the storage tank, ready for the next stage. After preparing the materials, proceed to mix all the materials at once. The scatter automated system tests the measured quantities of cement, sand mortar, and pulp mortar along with water and mixes them together in the mixing tank. Then the slurry mixture is pumped from the mixing tank to the production line to create Duraflex fiber cement boards. The material slurry is transferred to the flow-on box first. The material slurry in the flow-on tank evenly flows onto the conveyor belt, forming a thin layer along with water, and is then dewatered to the required moisture level using a vacuum system and is rolled around the foaming roller. Once the number of layers the required thickness is reached, the blade on the foaming roller will automatically cut the semi-finished board off. The semi-finished boards are transported by conveyor to the stacking machine, and the edges are cut to the set dimensions as they pass through the high-pressure water jet cutter. Each semi-finished sheet is stacked with a steel plate mold to prevent sticking. The excess add materials cut from the semi-finished sheets or any rejected semi-finished sheets will be returned to the materials mixer for reuse. The stack of semi-finished boards to be pressed is automatically picked up by the crane and moved to the press table, which then moves the stack of boards to the pressing machine to be pressed with a reset pressure. After pressing, the boards are placed into the recurring chamber. After curing, the semi-finished boards are moved to the board separator machine to separate the steel plate mold from the semi-finished boards. The steel molds that are taken out will be cleaned by a cleaning machine and oil, then stacked on a cart and returned to the stacking machine for reuse. The semi-finished boards, after being separated, are arranged on carts and pushed along the track into the autoclave for the curing process. With the autoclave steaming system, saturated steam is provided from the boiler. When the curing process is completed, all the carts inside the autoclave are pulled out. After autoclave curing, the boards are transferred to the seed separator machine to separate each board. After being separated, the finished boards are automatically measured for thickness, sorted, and then printed with the Duraflex logo, ensuring quality control and achieving sharpness using high-resolution camera, while simultaneously transferred to the shortened robust. Meanwhile, labels are applied, QR code for product identification, and the product information is pre-printed. Always putting quality first, products are carefully sampled and tested before being shipped. The product pallets are carefully stamped and shrink-wrapped. Due to the need for different applications of the boards, they will be cut into smaller sizes accordingly. Where the boards used for selling applications of 3mm thickness are brought to the cutting area, they will be cut into smaller boards of suitable size for the application, then stacked into raw product pallets for the next stage. During the production process, unused water for production will be treated at a wastewater treatment plant and reused in the production process. For the finished board that require a surface painting, they will be moved to the white painting line to have a white painting applied to the surface and then stacked into pallets using an automatic system. Before being taken to the packaging area according to customer requirements. The board is designed with ungimmed lamination will be sent to the production line to decorate the ungimmed lamination film with luxurious modern design patterns on the surface and an aluminum layer on the back of the board. For the board's design for surface printing, it will be transferred to the digital printing area for surface pattern printing. Upon completion of the printing process, they are stacked and transported by forklift to the broader packaging area and finally taken to the finished product storage warehouse. We continuously strive for improvement and implement strict processes to bring the best quality products to the market.